Aloha, sophomores. So here comes part two of what we're going to be doing and accomplishing today. First off, we need to be at our wiki. So if you aren't there yet, please do me a favor. We're going to go and head to ljadt102011.wikispaces.com. It's written on the board. Many of you might also have it bookmarked. But here's what's going to happen. We're going to head to the wiki, and we're going to actually scroll down because I've gone ahead and started putting in all the new information for our next unit, Unit 3, which is Paradigm Shift Ahead. Kind of like, watch out for the curve in the road going around the mountain out between Hawaii Kai and Waimanalo. Paradigm Shift Ahead. Caution. Anyways. So, yeah. Anyways, Unit 3 Paradigm Shift Ahead is where we're looking at, so if you wouldn't mind clicking there and going here, I'd appreciate it. So if you take a look, what we're looking at this particular unit is the fact that we're focused on community and service. In fact, we're going to be providing a service to our community by informing them of some of the issues that we know about. Students will learn the effective manipulation of information through media. It can be used to change the perspective and eventual actions of others in the community. I think I might need to clean that up. Students will learn that through the effective manipulation of information, media can be used to change the perspectives and eventual actions of others in the community. Whew. Anyways, our significant concept, and this is important because we're going to come back to this concept a couple times a day, is data becomes information when it has use or meaning and can be manipulated to achieve a purpose and influence interpretation. Data becomes information. So data and information are not quite the same thing. Data becomes information when it has a use or meaning and can be manipulated to achieve a purpose and influence interpretation. If you think about it, this is actually going on a lot in our country right now with what's happening in our elections. There are people whose jobs are to go out and find data, to take that data, interpret it in certain ways, to manipulate that data in order to achieve a purpose and influence other people's thinking. Our unit question for this particular unit is going to be, how can an idea change the world? And hopefully some of the ideas that we come up with, that we try and manipulate and transfer to other people, will help influence them and will change the world. So our challenge for this particular unit, like we had a challenge for last one, is this. And it sounds a little odd, but just hanging with me. You've decided to apply for a local scholarship to help you pay for 4 years of college. The scholarship would really go a long way towards helping your parents agree to let you go to the college of your choice on the mainland. Oh, and somebody just popped up there. Sorry. I don't know quite how to pause. Let me pull this back up. I just need to grab the right thing. There we go. Again, the scholarship would really go a long way towards helping your parents agree to let you go to the college of your choice on the mainland. Part of the application process asks you to research a problem in your community and offer up potential ideas on how you could solve it. You realize that you could write an essay, but are afraid that the judges won't get a clear idea of your unique voice and that you won't stand out from the crowd. Instead, you decide to turn the essay into a short 5-minute documentary so that the panel members will take notice and see how knowledgeable and creative you are. So again, we're going to come back to this full circle by the end of class today. We're going to be looking at how can we showcase our unique voice and set ourselves apart by sharing our knowledge and information. So here's our class schedule for the rest of this semester. We're going to be meeting 11 times, starting today, February 17th, and ranging all the way through May 24th. During that time, we have some formative things they're going to be due and some summative things they're due. Your first summative assessment actually won't be due until March 16th. That's almost a month away. That's kind of nice. Eventually, when you get an opportunity, I'm going to have you go through the process of linking to your portfolio document, just like we've done before. Looks like Daniel's the first one to do so. I would just simply ask, please leave it as the blue or black. We don't need any crazy Hamajang Kapakai colors or fonts this time. I'm just going to change it back anyways. So what I'd like us to do is actually click on the topic for today's lesson, which is what is information. So why don't you join me here? Good. All right. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about what information is. Do you notice something? Does this look familiar? You've probably seen it before in math class. That's right, in math class with Ms. Isaacs. Yeah, I'm actually thinking about using a similar format of just trying to keep you guys up to date about what we talk about in class and what you need to accomplish when you leave class. And I think I'm actually going to try and post these YouTube videos I'm creating right below here so that you have access to them. But anyways, we went through the process of doing our housekeeping, getting our new document and shared access done. Now it's time for the what is information presentation, and then we're going to have a little bit of time to talk about what a documentary is. Now the thing about that is by that time I should be back in the class so we can talk about what a documentary is. And then you've got some assignments down here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this one, and I'll jump right into my next presentation. Oops. I'll jump right into my next presentation, which is going to be what is information right now.